beats, man. Oh, that's what we're doing. We're singing. Y'all know nothing about this. Watch me. Watch me. Come on, Ed. Come on, Ed. Prove yourself.
Take it out, dig it. Take it out, take it out, dig it. Take it out,
Two suits, two tokens in hand. I got more respect.
Yeah, wait till over. No strategy?
Shoes full of sand. Check out the
I need a beer.
take it out, dig it. Take it out,
Who needs a new spoon?
take it out,
Who needs a new spoon?
dig it.
Watch out.
Is there a strategy here?
Yeah, hit it in the line, straight line. Hit the line, you gonna hit the big, like line. Line. You got me, you're so well.
Just have to dig some more. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na.
Take it out, dig it. Take it out, take it out, dig it. Take it out.
How we doing here? You doing good? I got my beer.
Take it out, dig it. Take it out,
Your hands may blister, your muscles stay sore. You wanna break, knock on the warden's door.
take it out,
Work that.
take it out.
Work that.
Oh, hey. How we doing?
A little dirty.
Yeah? Strategy working?
Got my stuff. Working hard. Pretty.
Don't eat that.
That's all I do is dig holes, eat, and sleep.
There is no lake, there is no shade, there is no place to hide, so just sit and wait to fry.
You got to go and dig those holes.
So after a long night of digging and some utensils that really took the brunt of the damage, the remote control was found right here behind third base, and one fan went home happy with a 46-inch TV. How do you feel at this very moment? Dirty! Yeah, we're going to the way. He's going to go in the living room on the wall. Like the piece of junk I got. You got it!